Rainy season is here, and if you've got dogs, you know exactly what that means. No wheeze, no poos, just drama. Klaus took one look and immediately said no, which meant I went into please just pee mode. Gave it another go, and I was convinced this was going to be it. You can literally see the hope on my face, but no. I was very mistaken and I had to call the big guns in. At this point, I had one move left in the playbook, which was to feed them, fill the tank, so they had to go. And would you believe it, attempt 4 was a full success. I showered, the sun came out, and now I need to know, is this just a Dachshund thing or does your dog do this too? Drop a comment down below and tell me the breed.